My name's Alister Paul, farm at Stony Creek just north of Balclutha, 440 hectares on a property called Merridale, which is a finishing farm for Beaumont Station. We finish up to 1,000 steers a year for silverfern farms, and we do about 10,000 lambs for silverfern farms a year. Well, I started here 10 years ago. We used to just have an old bathtub set at the end of the race where we used to weigh the scales and they'd move around a wee bit and that. And being off the weighing to different mobs and that kind of stuff was always quite awkward. So a year and a half ago, we looked at the Te Pari system and the automatic drafter on how we could improve our flow and everything in the yards. They come down and had a look, spent a day here looking at it, and then they went away and come up with some plans. And then we built what we have set up now, where the stock flow is increased from having 2 people or 3 people in the yards to being able to do it all by yourself now. Our main reason was flow for health and safety in the yards and that as well. And just, being very accurate on the scales now with being able to kill them at the weights that the works want them. We're weighing cattle a lot, so we're using it to split cattle into mobs for a start, and then once they're split into mobs, we are using it to weigh off for the works and that. With using the T30 weighing system, we can monitor everything through. Our daily weight gains all comes up on our screen, so we can draft to that, and then they can be processed into their mobs, ready for further down the line for slaughter. I do all the weighing in that myself now. It's just they flow through this yard so easily, and it's simple. So do it all from weighing just about from the back of the yards once it's all set up. It's just become a very simple operation. Like, you sit at the back and open and shut your back gate, and away they flow. Yeah, they just keep going. Just got to keep an eye on everything's tight at the back, and being the steel like they are, if the cattle do bang on them, they seem to flex a wee bit, and it doesn't seem to slow them down or anything like that. So they can take the weight of those big cattle going through the yards all the time. The health and safety has come right down, and the speed of the way the animals go through and how the whole system works. And the support you get from Te Pari is very good. Like, you only have to make one phone call if something's not right, and they're there. They can talk to you straight away. They can fix it all up for you or show you, explain it, which they do, and how to get through it. I'd recommend to go that way. It just seems to be able to work, and the setup, the time that they take into putting the setup in there to get it to flow, it all works well. So yeah, I would recommend it.